Sign up at the end of this review to get my personal gear list. Hey folks, Tony Policastro here from the Acoustic Letter. We're going to look at a Gibson Keb Mo Bluesmaster today, but before we do so, I just want to let you know we have literally thousands of subscribers to the Acoustic Letter. Click on the link below and see what they have to say. If you like what they have to say, go ahead and sign up for the Acoustic Letter. You'll be happy that you did. On to the Gibson Keb Mo Bluesmaster. We just got this guitar in a couple days ago, and I instantly gravitated towards it because it is a smaller body guitar, and I'm kind of like lusting after smaller body guitars lately. I don't know, it's a long story. It's a fingerstyle thing. Anyway, the Keb Mo Bluesmaster is a killer guitar from Gibson. We have on this particular instrument a red spruce top, rosewood rectangle bridge with a bone saddle. We have herringbone purfling, bordered by a nice yellowed binding to simulate a vintage look in a vintage sunburst. Great color, amazing. Mahogany back and sides. Great warm tone off the mahogany. On the neck, we have a kind of a flatter C profile. Rosewood fingerboard with small mother of pearl dot inlay. We have an 1 3/4 bone nut. A bound headstock. The overlays inlaid with Gibson and pearl and the crown. And on the back, another vintage touch, open gear Grover tuners. This guitar excels when finger picked. It actually sounds pretty darn good when you strum it as well. So we're going to give the Keb Mo Bluesmaster a play so you can hear what it sounds like. Interested in this guitar? Go to acousticletter.com now and email us with your questions. For more acoustic reviews and comparisons, click the button to subscribe to our YouTube channel.